Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called A Green Green Garden by Mercer Mayer. It's time to plant my garden. We go to the garden store. It has everything we need. I want a green green garden. I find my seeds to plant. So much seeds. Mom says we will buy some seed. Dad says we will also buy some baby plants, tomato, cucumber, and squash. They look very little. They all look the same. Dad says Dad rents a pillow from Mr. Pinky. We go home to plant my green green garden. Dad plows the garden. We pick up some clumps of grass. This is not fun. We plant the seeds and the baby plants. I am tired. I need cool water. We are finished now. We can rest. Dad says we must water each plant. We take turns. Every day we need to wait. We weed, water, and wait. We weed, water, and wait some more. We wait a lot. Dad takes pictures. At school, I learn more about gardening. We make a compost heap full of old leaves and stuff that makes the good garden dirt. We buy worms to put in my garden. We buy good bugs that eat bad bugs, like the rat and that praying mantis. Deer come and eat some of my garden. Blue wants to protect it. Finally, I have a green garden, and yellow, orange, and red. I have yellow, orange, and red garden too. We have a great dinner all from my green garden. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!